They thought his boots were proof of guilt, until those same boots proved the truth. Ever seen a courtroom turn silent in less than 5 seconds? That's what happened when Farmer Ben walked in, wearing boots still crusted with dried mud. The HOA president, Karen, smirked the second she saw him. Her lawyer leaned over and whispered loud enough for Ben to hear. Guess he dressed for the farm, not the court. They thought they'd already won. Karen's complaint was simple. Ben's tractor was damaging the private road with mud and deep grooves, and she wanted him fined heavily, maybe even banned from using it. The judge adjusted his glasses. "Mr. Ben, do you deny leaving this mess on the road?" Ben looked calm. "Your Honor, I don't deny there's mud. But I do deny it's from me," Karen scoffed. "Who else could it be? You're the only farmer in the neighborhood." The judge flipped through the HOAs. Evidence, glossy photographs of deep tread marks in the mud. The tracks had a distinct diamond grid pattern. He paused, then glanced at Ben's boots. "Mr. Ben, step forward." The whole courtroom leaned in as Ben walked up. The judge gestured. "Lift your right boot." Ben did. The room went quiet. The dried mud on his sole had the exact same pattern as the tracks in the photos. Karen's lawyer smirked like the gavel was already halfway down. But then Ben smiled. "Glad you noticed. Judge, because that same tread is also on the boots of the HOA's own construction crew." He pulled a folder from his bag and handed it to the judge. Inside were photos Ben had taken a month earlier, pictures of HOA-hired workers in steel-toe boots, unloading heavy drainage pipes. Their boots left the same diamond pattern in the mud as the ones in the HOA's evidence, and right beside them, the HOA's own tractor, with tires matching the tracks on the road perfectly. Karen's confident grin froze. Ben continued. "I've been keeping my tractor in the barn for 3 weeks, ever since the rain. The mess? That's from the crew you hired, not me." The judge looked at Karen. "Is this true?" Karen stammered. "Well, the workers... The judge set down the photos. "This case is not only dismissed, but I'm ordering the HOA to repair the road at their own expense and issue a written apology to Mr. Ben." The courtroom broke into soft laughter. Ben tipped his muddy boot toward Karen and walked out, leaving a trail of dirt on the shiny courtroom floor. The only tracks he'd ever leave there. Sometimes the truth sticks, right to the bottom of your boots. If this twist made you smile, give this video a like, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who loves a good underdog win.